Welcome to iPECS. This video will show you how to locate the MAC address of your new iPECS 1000i series handset. A MAC address is a unique identifier for any network device. When the phone is in idle mode, press the menu button to enter the phone's menu. From here, use the navigation keys surrounding the OK button to scroll down through the menu options. Scroll to option 8 on the menu, labelled Key Set Information. Press OK to enter the submenu. Now scroll to option 2 in the Key Set Information menu, labelled View MAC Address. Press OK again to view your phone's MAC address. Alternatively, the MAC address and serial number of the handset are on a sticker on the underside of the unit next to the network ports. The MAC address of the handset is also printed on the side of the box the phone is shipped in to allow for easy and fast organisation and provisioning.